The following segment is sponsored by Smith's Food and Drug. Spice up your 3-day weekend celebrations with a refreshing twist. Chef Jeff Jackson's here to show us how to make a delicious bowl of spring roll pasta salad. Let's take a look.
Hello everybody, I'm Chef Jeff from Smith's. It's springtime, that means Memorial Day is right around the corner, and I usually will get asked to make a pasta salad. Now you could just make a plain, I won't say plain, but just the ordinary pasta salad, which is a good thing, or you can bring something totally unexpected, celebrating springtime, making a spring roll themed pasta salad. Now spring rolls are made of rice paper and they have all these vegetables in them, fresh veggies, and you serve it with peanut sauce. So what I have is, in here the pasta is going to be these these are rice noodles. You can find these on the Asian aisle at your local Smith's. Just cook those to package directions and have those ready to go. Maybe put a little oil in them so they don't stick. But basically what we're going to do is just add a bunch of vegetables that I've had some fun playing on my cutting board with my knife. I have some julienne or shredded red cabbage and also some julienne. Julienne, when you ever hear that term, means matchstick. So cutting something into a matchstick is what julienne is. That's cucumbers. This is carrots, all the same fashion. This is red bell pepper I have right here. So we're just gonna put all these delicious, crunchy, raw vegetables in the bowl, along with, of course, some cilantro. I'm gonna save a little bit of that cilantro so I can sprinkle on top, as well as the green onion, and then peanuts. I'll save a little bit of those just so that I can sprinkle on at the end. So this is what I have to mix my salad. I'm not gonna mix it yet. What I need to do now is make the dressing for it, and it's super easy to make. It's a peanut sauce themed dressing. So of course I'm gonna have some peanut butter in there. I'm just gonna be adding all this to my blender. There's peanut butter, this is honey. Get those in there because they're the hardest ones to get out. Then I have some lime juice, some salt and pepper, some rice vinegar, some garlic, some ginger, and then lastly some sesame oil. It's about 2 teaspoons or so. All right, so once I got all those in there, I'm just gonna run my blender until everything is nice and smooth.
Yeah.
Okay, my dressing is done, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pour that over the top of it. As you're making the dressing, if your dressing seems a little too thick, just simply add some water to it just to thin it out just a little bit, but mine seems to be perfect here. You can either toss this with tongs, or your best tongs you have are your hands. That's what I'm gonna do with gloved hands, is just get in there and just start tossing it around until it all comes together nicely, and then I'll show you how we serve it up. All right, so after a little bit of playing with my food, my salad is nice and mixed together. Time to serve that up on a nice platter and get it all over my counter as well. That's perfectly fine. Okay, all right. Now imagine serving this to your family and friends this Memorial Day weekend. They're gonna love it. You can find all these ingredients at your local Smith. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for shopping. We'll see you all next time. Bye-bye, everybody.